now we are headed to Las Vegas. But before that, Hoover Dam. And so it's 70 miles to the Hoover Dam, and I'm gonna freak out when I get there. Way too high up. Hi, my name is Ricky.
My name is Brennan, and welcome to our Lives Unscripted.
We are getting close to the Hoover Dam. Look at this view though, it's insane. Isn't that insane? Okay, so we're gonna go to the bridge first. I'm gonna probably freak out. So if you want to see someone freak out on camera, then probably stay tuned.
What's going on?
We're headed into the bridge right now. It is right behind me in the opening, and I'm really nervous.
Don't you want to see the Hoover Dam?
Yeah, I do, but it's so high up.
What's the best viewpoint?
Oh my gosh, let's go.
Alright.
Oh, I'm nervous. Oh my god, man, I can't even. Oh my god. I can't even. That's really scary.
Behind me you'll see a view of the Hoover Bridge. It's really pretty, and if you come here, definitely come and walk across the bridge. It's well worth a hike, and you'll get to see this really awesome view of the Hoover Dam. The noise from the traffic is a little loud, but the view is really pretty. And Ricky couldn't make it out here because she's afraid of heights, and the bridge shakes a little. So if you're afraid of heights, just to let you know, that's what happens. But the view is super cool, and definitely come check it out. What's going on here?
I looked over there and I saw how like far down it was. I don't know if I can do this.
Well, you're going to.
I'm like freaking out right now.
Let's go. It'll be
I have
fun.
to run, okay? So I have to wait till everyone's like out of my way and I'm gonna run across the bridge.
Yeah, but then you gotta run back.
I know.
Let's just
Oh my
walk
gosh.
casually
Oh my
and
gosh,
enjoy the view.
I don't know if I can. Oh my gosh, Brendan.
We literally just drove across the bridge.
I know, but I couldn't see it before.
Come on. Are you coming?
Oh my god. I'm so scared.
Why? I just
scared.
literally felt the
Okay,
bridge
watch out, watch
shake.
out, watch out, watch out. Don't say that.
I just felt the bridge shake. See Ricky up there. Ricky's on her way back. She's running even. She couldn't handle the bridge.
How was your experience at the bridge?
My experience was pretty good. I got to stand there and take some photos and videos.
Yeah.
How about yours?
Well, it took me 2 times to go across. The first time I was freaking out and I had to run back. The second time I made it across, but people were making fun of me and pointing because I was like freaking out. They're like, oh, she's hugging the rail. So I was like, she's not hugging the rail, she's hugging the wall.
It's really funny. Oh, we
Yeah.
echo in here.
But I made it across. I'm terrified of heights. Came to the Hoover Dam, had to see it, so.
So she saw it.
If you go across the bridge, I guess like it goes across the Colorado River and it's like 12,000 feet in the air.
12,000, really?
I mean, 1,200 feet in the air.
Okay.
Freaky.
All right, so now we're gonna walk down back to the van and we're gonna cross the dam in the van.
That is the bridge we were just on. Insane.
Hey, there's us up there.
Yeah, we were like all the way up there. crossing the Hoover Dam.
I never thought I'd be driving our van across the Hoover Dam.
No, I didn't think we'd make it this far ever. So cool. So yesterday we made it to Henderson, Nevada. Now where are we going today?
Today we're going to the Las Vegas Strip.
Right now we're on the Las Vegas Strip. We're just going to walk around the strip, and behind me is the Statue of Liberty, and then what's the big lion back there?
MGM.
The MGM is lion?
Yep.
Okay, I don't know anything about Las Vegas, so let's go find out.
So we're walking across the skywalk, just zigzagging back and forth to different casinos and just...
I don't really like the skywalks, especially this one. There's like just sky on both sides. It's freaking me out. That's why they call it a skywalk.
That's pretty cool.
There's a
So
Paris
that's good.
hotel behind you.
We're just gonna keep walking down. We're making our way towards the fountains. I don't know if we're gonna be here at night to see them, but we'll keep heading that way. And this is how Ricky walks across skywalks.
I don't like that I can see on both sides. It freaks me out.
It's cool they have some a cool dragon here for Chinese New Year, I'm guessing, and some red lanterns up above.
It smells way too expensive in here for me. It's giving me a headache.
Yeah, that's way too much
Like,
perfume is being
yeah,
used right
like just a cloud of perfume. Right now we're at the Bellagio. We're watching the fountain show, I guess, from 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. Every 30 minutes there's a fountain show. And then from 8 p.m. to midnight, every 15 minutes there's a fountain show. It's pretty cool. They have music that goes along with it.
It looks pretty cool behind you. You're missing it. Oh, now it's gone. She turns around and then it disappears.
We're at the Bellagio right now, and they're celebrating the Chinese New Year, and it's the Year of the Dog. It looks really cool. Where are you going?
We're going to the Venetian to go on a gondola ride.
No. The Mirage is right behind you.
You might just be seeing things.
No. Okay, so we just got done with the Venetian. We come back outside and it's completely dark now. So we're gonna enjoy Las Vegas at night. I think we're gonna go back to that fountain too, aren't we?
Yep,
To see the fountain at night.
for sure.
And at the Bellagio?
Yep.
Okay, let's go.
What's your thoughts of the
That's
show?
pretty cool. What do you think?
It's pretty awesome.
Yeah, like the first thing we went to was different music, and this one's different music.
Oh, you're losing focus.
Can't focus
Too
on
dark.
me.
Oh, all right.
But yeah, it's like different music every time, so it's really cool. And the lights like made it really look nice.
There's a nice mist here too.
Yeah, it was like nice. I think it was just cool. I went to the music too.
Really cool. It's
Come
right
here
up there
at
with the fireworks show.
Yeah, come here and watch it at night.
Much
Way
better.
cooler. Yeah.
We're gonna take the tram to Mandalay Bay.
I want to see the pyramids.
Pyramid.
Pyramid and then the Sphinx.
Yep. So let's go.